welcome back guys to another video. So today I'll show you guys how to make this 3D kind of shadow in Photoshop. So it's just a shadow going to the side, whichever direction you want. Okay, so let's get right into it. Okay, so I'm in Photoshop right now. I'll just make a text layer, just call it 5D. I already have all my colors chosen, so I don't have to do this right now. Okay, so I have this. What you want to do is duplicate this layer, hide the top one, the one you just duplicated. It says copy. So hide that and click on this, go to 3D, new 3D extrusion from selected layer, click that, and when this comes up, press no, and it'll bring up all this stuff. It looks pretty confusing at first, but it's actually not that bad. Okay, so in the properties panel, if you don't have that, go to window, properties, and click that. In the properties, turn these both off, catch shadows and cast shadows, turn those off, and instead of this, click on here and choose your extrusion depth. That's just how much it comes outwards and backwards, so just like that. So make it all the way to the right as much as it goes, and over here make sure this isn't on bend, otherwise this is what happen. Put that to 90 and like that, it'll be like this. So put that on shear, and you can just make it whichever direction you want. I'll make it this way since I have light coming in through here. So once that's done, click off of here and go to your normal layer. So you'll see this, and just come to here, hold control and click on the thumbnail. Once that's done, drag this layer into the bin, or just press, I don't think delete works, so you have to drag it into the bin. Once that's done, a new layer, put that under, copy SD 5D, sorry, and shift backspace, that'll bring up the fill thing and make it black. So there you go. You can change the fill to around 20%, and that's basically it, how to do the 3D shadow thing. Yeah, so yeah, that's basically it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye.